On behalf of John Sullivan, a parent whose daughter uses services provided by Your Choice Barnet. And the statement's been prepared for the Your Choice Barnet board meeting on Wednesday, 29th of May, 2013. The Board of Directors of Your Choice Barnet Limited started a 90-day consultation period with staff on the 1st of March, but decided it was not necessary to consult with service users or parents and family carers, claiming the proposed changes would have no impact on the services or the quality of life of service users and their families. From meetings I have had personally with staff, parents, carers, and service users of all of the 6 YCB services, this claim by the YCB board is vehemently challenged. I can categorically state that the majority insist the proposed changes will have a detrimental impact on the quality of life of service users and therefore indirectly their families, carers, or parents. How could they be anything other than detrimental to service users when the intention is to slash staff numbers and replace skilled staff with unskilled staff and downgrade skills, terms of employment, and significantly cut wages for the majority of staff? For over 30 years, my daughter has relied upon in-house adult services. In all that time, there was never 1 year that huge deficits were created. Neither was there ever a need to downgrade and de-skill vital support staff, placing service users and their services at potential risk. Yet in 1 year of outsourcing, the opposite applies, making the case for services to be brought back in-house indispensable. Service users and their families need long-term stability in the provision of their care. At a recent meeting at Rosa Morrison, Troy Henschel, a board member, advised a parent that the highly questionable claim of no changes could only be guaranteed for 6 months. However, the invitation that parents received did not state no changes for a short period, but no change, leading people to believe the proposed changes would have no effect on the services in perpetuity. This is a totally unacceptable situation that is causing a great deal of distress to service users who have serious disabilities and their families. At a recent information meeting at Community Space, Troy Henschel claimed that the financial crisis stems from the fact that YCB is receiving less money from Barnet Council. He also stated that in the event of ongoing business model failures, the services would have to be brought back in-house, which was the undertaking given from the outset in the event of commercial failure. We are aware of the financial difficulties of Your Choice Barnet, even if the board appears to be in denial of that fact, and therefore demand that the decision on the proposed changes contained in the March 1st document, due on June 3rd, should be put on hold until such time as all service users, parents, and carers have been fully and meaningfully consulted on the proposed changes. We further demand that the consultation should include the taking back in-house of the services in question, as per the original undertaking and as stated by Troy Henschel, in an orderly and planned manner immediately. Thank you.
Thank you.